Oh, no, that wasn't it.
That's not the mama. The man is over here. He's watching.
The one that came towards me was bigger.
Trying to get food. She had a point.
Wait a minute, that's the mama I think on the power line. Y'all, we just got attacked by birds. I'm videotaping. Where the bird at on the power line?
That's a big bird right there. Exactly. That bird was like.
Where, oh, there it goes. Is that it right there? My camera can't.
Nah. I'm saying that, bro.
There it is right there, y'all. Y'all see that bird? She is watching my kids.
What bird?
We just trying to check the mail. We just want to check the mail. And there's a nest in that bush. And I think them birds are going to attack my kids because they attacked me yesterday. That crutch is probably not going to hit him.
It's long, Mom. It's gonna get
Go towards the, go get the mail. Go get the mail, Chelsea. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God.
I'm scared, bro. I'm scared.
But make sure it, I'm surprised he ain't came over here. When I'm telling you, by the time you're where you at, it was on the power line right above your head when I went.
It's not moving though. I'll tell you that. It's staring us down.
Oh my God, y'all, it's staring her down.
I'm scared someone.
I'm videotaping. I'm videotaping it.
I look at the top.
He's
y'all
watching
looking
her.
in the bush. I'm looking at the top.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where did it go? There it is, right there.
You don't want to check the mail.
It swarmed down, like it swarmed down and swooped down real fast.
Just get it real quick. Like, open the mailbox or something real quick.
Go ahead. What's it gonna do?
Go ahead then, Mom. Go ahead. What you gonna do? Go for it. Go ahead.
I was trying to videotape.
Yeah, it's okay. I got you. Don't worry about it. Y'all better be careful.
Shut up, fool.
Not with the crutch, not with the crutch. That bird on that power line over there, get closer. No.
Right there. Bam. That one's coming closer from the side. Look above, what's the name, white car. Right above it. Whoo, it's hopping. You see it?
I hit the bush. Ma, that bird is right there.
Mine's, it turned around. They both watching you.
I hit the bush. Are you videotaping?
Yes.
I hit the bush.
You way back there. You the furthest from everybody. You the scared. Mommy can hold on with a bird. I ain't worried about no bird. Woo! Hey, that was a warning. That was a warning. You saw that? That thing warning you like, I'm watching.
I'm alright. I'm just gonna leave that thing alone.
Oh yeah, you ain't want to mess with it no more, huh?
I went closer than y'all punks did.
That's fine, but you still ain't want to mess with it, did you?
I've got my mail.
You got your
It's nothing
mail.
in there.
That's what it was. You was
mail
trying
is
to
gone.
prove a point. You always trying to prove a
The
point.
mail is gone.
And I told you.
You talking as if you did something.
I ain't say I did nothing, but I know you ain't do nothing.
I did.
You ain't do
I
nothing.
went over there to the mailbox.
You ain't do nothing.
I touched the mailbox and the bush.
You ain't touched nothing. But with a crutch, I had 2 hands full. You went with a crutch.
You are a punk. Whatever.
You a punk.
You ain't do nothing.
You ain't do nothing.
My phone.
Now I give you my phone.
What? Chelsea stupid. I give you my phone.
Get yourself. It's close. It was zoomed in all the way.
It really was.